Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and today we're going to be checking out this cool product. This is a motion sensor LED light bulb. Works in the dark. It is a very, very cool product. It's super tiny. Look how cute this thing is. And you want to extend it, you have the ability to use this extension. Plus it's also adjustable, so if you wanted to spin it, maybe 350 degrees probably. It works really well, and it is motion sensing. Wait, I'm going to shut off the lights in the office here and show you how this works. Okay, now the light is off. Let's walk towards the light. There we go, now it's on. So the sensitivity is pretty good. I definitely recommend the product. It's great. I mean, what more do you need in terms of a motion light? And then it can be used outside. It's waterproof. I have a link in the description below to purchase this. So guys, if you like this product and you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.